I don't like the tortillas. I can't wait till we can eat normal food.
It's now day 10. Let's see how they're doing. How you guys doing?
Yeah, not bad, man.
Is the wind this bad all the time?
Most of the time.
Now we have a button. Why do you think this button's here?
Is it to tap out of something?
Oh, like if you press this, I'll give you like money to quit?
Yeah.
No, it's to stop a giant saw blade. Send it up! Across from you. All the food you would need for the next 30 days that is infinitely better than the MREs you guys have.
Oh, man.
If you lose, you also lose a part of your floor.
I'm more concerned about the floor.
Surely with this game, he's not gonna screw it up.
I can't miss it, right? It's just there.
But do you trust him because he's shown he can't fail you? Start the game! The 24-hour timer has started.